Hey guys, welcome to the Bdthemes widget tutorial. Today's topic is about the reading progress widget presented by the Ultimate PostKit plugin. This is the widget that lets you add a dynamic progress bar on your web page that tracks the reading progress of the content wherever the visitors scroll. To demonstrate the function of this widget properly, we have taken a text editor widget and loaded it with texts. Now, what you have to do is drag our reading progress widget inside your page editor and put it on top of the content block. Scroll down a little and you'll have noticed the green bar on top the display tab increasing or decreasing in length due to scrolling. That's the default position and setting for the widget. From the option, you can bring down the reading progress bar at the bottom of the display. It's also possible to switch its direction from horizontal to vertical. Let's switch the position to the left. After that, you can change the color of the bar by adding a deep color on the front and a bit lighter on the back, for example. Then the whole thing would look like this. You can put more weight on the bar to make it appear bolder. The options also have opacity control for it. For ease of use, we attach a Z-index field on this widget with a reverse bar switcher. See how it goes on the preview. That's all about the reading progress widget. Hope you have liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Until next time.